A8. Open the machine packaging. Take out the packaging, foam cotton, and standard accessories. Take out the foam cotton in the machine as a whole. Then take out the other things. Take the machine out of the package. Then take out the accessories inside the foam one by one. Heightening, hexagonal wrench, slider and conversion cable, camera calibration paper jam, user manual, key, Type-C data cable ×2, U-disc, goggles, air pump module, engraving materials, power supply. Open the machine's protective cover. Let's install the laser head. Caution when replacing the red and blue laser head. Power off the machine, otherwise the laser head can be easily damaged. Move the moving axis on the machine. Plug on the machine. The interface inserted into the laser head. The slide on the laser head corresponds to the slide on the machine. First, we plug in the connecting cable. You slide the rails on the laser head into the rails on the machine. The laser head doesn't need to be placed at the bottom. Leave some height to make it convenient for us to place the carving. Then tighten the knob on the machine. Then the installation is completed. Installation of the red light laser head. We need to replace the slider on the back of the laser head. The current slider doesn't match the slider on the machine. We need to replace this slider with the one in the package. Use a hex wrench to unscrew the screw. This side is the back. The front side of the slider should be facing up. Don't install it upside down. First, connect the conversion cable to the machine. The slide rail of the laser head and the slide rail of the machine. The laser head does not need to be placed at the bottom. Leave some height for us to place the carving. Then tighten the fixed knob. Then the installation is completed. Air pump module is used to blow away or sawdust and impurities generated during cutting. One end of the air pump hose is plugged into the pump, and the other end is inserted into the machine. This is the switch of the blower. Turning clockwise is to start. The more you rotate, the stronger the wind blown by the blower. The more you rotate counterclockwise, the less air it blows. When it rotates to the end, it will click and turn off. Air purifier. First, close the machine's protective cover. Then stretch out the telescopic tube at the back of the air purifier. Align the nozzle with the interface on the machine. Then tighten it clockwise. Then plug in the power cord of the air purifier. Here is the switch, the power cord of the machine. Blue laser head focusing. Put in the object to be carved. The accuracy of laser engraving largely depends on the precise focus adjustment. The focus adjustment of the A8 laser head is very intuitive. Focal length for flat surface engraving. Roll the wheel. Adjust the scale to 0. Cutting focal length according to the thickness of the cutting material. Adjust it up by half the thickness. For example, the thickness of the wooden board is 8 mm. Adjust the scale to -4. Loosen the fixed knob on the other side of the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head until the fixed focus rod touches the engraved object. This is a key step to engrave a clear pattern. Then tighten the fixed knob. Then retract the fixed focus rod. This completes the focusing. Adjust the red light laser head. Turn the fixed focus rod downwards. Then loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Lower the laser head until the fixed focus rod touches the carved object. Then tighten the fixed knob. Retract the fixed focus rod. This completes the focusing. The effect of the laser spot before focusing is divergent, but after focusing, it is gathered together. This is a key step to carve a clear pattern. Offline carving. When we use a mobile phone or a computer, after a complete engraving process, the machine will record the carving content. You can use the offline engraving function without using a mobile phone or computer. Click Preview or Engrave. Press the machine's offline engraving button to start the preview. When the laser head is previewing, pressing it once again will stop the preview. After going offline, the laser head cannot move the engraving position because it is based on the previous mobile phone or preview the position of computer engraving, so we need to manually move the position of the wooden board. Press it again to preview. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds to release it. Then the carving starts. Note that after the machine is turned off or restarted, the recorded content will be cleared. Using offline engraving, only preview and engraving are available. Parameters can only be adjusted using a mobile phone or adjust via computer.